everybody, this is Amy and Lois, and guess where we are?
Our second home, apparently, sometimes.
Our second home. Recognize this orange, you guys?
Plus
Okay.
a sign that says Home Depot.
Oh, plus look, here's a sign. Oh yes. I wonder how this place got started. What a good idea. Okay, so what's our first step?
We have to buy some supplies for our vacancy that we have so we can fix it up and rent it quickly.
Yes, we're not gonna fix it up. We're not gonna fix it up.
We hire someone, but there's little stuff that we need to get. Little things.
Okay, what's the little things we're gonna get today?
We have to replace some of the blind slats,
Oh, blind slats,
the
yeah.
door lock.
Those are those vertical
keys.
blind slats, right?
New blind little sink strainer. I mean, we're just talking about little things.
Get
Look,
new-
all the light bulbs are in there. They're all on.
New
Mini
new
inspection.
lights,
No, not new light. The
light bulbs.
The light bulbs are all on this time.
Oh,
A lot of
okay.
times they're missing, but they were all fine. I didn't have to.
And somebody's backing up. Need new locks, huh? For the doors.
Right.
Here's some sheds.
Or in some places, a tiny house.
Wouldn't this be a great tiny house? Look, you can get it for $56 a month. And you could put a barbecue outside there. How much are these barbecues? $2.99. Oh, love Home Depot. And how about one of these outdoor heaters? We gotta check the prices. $159 for the outdoor heaters. And if you need a tool chest, ooh, these are fabulous. Maybe put some nice plants. Maybe a welcome plant for your new home. This is an example of the counter, the kitchen counter we put in. Prefer Corian. Okay, now here we are. Our first order of business. What's our first order of business? First order of business is garden, mowers, grills, storage, cleaning, bath, plumbing, bath.
For a strainer, sink strainer.
Here's all the bathroom stuff because we're looking for sink strainer. Just the little things can really make a difference, like sink strainers.
Yeah, the strainer is because there's a hair and then it gets clogged. For some reason, people don't get their own strainer. They just let the hair and junk fall in, and then we have a clogging issue.
So this would be looking ahead, preventative maintenance. Anything we think of, we can get here because they're such a marvelous superstore. Here's a sink mount, 1998. At least we know we're in the right section. Here's a handy heater we can supply for them. We have shower doors, tubs, shower kits, tub surrounds. Here's what we're looking for. Bath. Better Living, that's a good company. But Delta, even better. Now we're heading down, ooh, really fast. At least we're in the right aisle. And they have Glacier Bay, which is the brand here for Home Depot. Commercial outlets. Talk about handy. We could get them a new doormat. Just want to make them feel at home and comfortable. And they have coming up on paint. They're going to be repainting rugs, flooring, blue tape, $7.98. We'll need some of that. Rugs, flooring, power tools. Here's a wet dry vac. How much are these? Wet dry vac. Have to go back for the price. Yeah, we go down to the lot. This is under Key Center. Going down for the locks. Quick Set.
Right?
Yeah, Quick Set. That's our brand. This is a styling one for this color. $33.47. It's a double. And we need deadbolt. And if you're in need of these work gloves, this is a great price, $12.97. 3 pair. God, I love it.
Look for the door.
Exterior door. So we're gonna buy a deadbolt and doorknobs for exterior.
Nope, good and bad.
$13.47 Quick Set. These kind of handles are really good for, rather than a knob. Feel comfortable on the hand, like a lever. There's Quick Set. There's Hall. Oh, I don't want the Hall. That's 2 doorknobs and 2 deadbolts. Combo set. $91.47. So this is kind of home away from home here. As you guys are fixing up your properties or at least supervising it, get to know the good brands, but also get to know the people who work here. They are so helpful here at the Home Depot. Remember to like this video, comment, and share it. Lois Threlkel, Ladies of Justice League.com. See you soon.